Hi, I'm Joyce. I'm the Energy Lady. This is my Woman's Voice playlist. And if you've watched the video previous to this, I talked about trying to define who you are and how you have defined how you play out the role in life that you are playing right now. Typically, when a person has taken on all the roles of what people told them to be, they don't know how to say no. And that's a really, probably not only a big problem with women, but men also. If they're wanting to make people happy and they're wanting people to like them, and if that's the case with you, then you don't know how to say no. You don't know how to say, I don't want to do that, or no, it's not comfortable for me. Because what if they don't like you if you do that? Or what if they're not happy with you? So here's a term I love to use, and I've learned this and I've used it over and over again, and I've taught this. When someone asks you to do something that you're really not comfortable doing or don't want to do, the words to say are, it doesn't work for me. Yeah, exactly. If someone says, hey, you want to go out Friday night? You say, you know what? It doesn't work for me to go out Friday night. It's not a good night for me. And if they want to keep negating it, you just keep saying, you know what? That just doesn't work for me. If someone says, hey, can I borrow your car? You say, you know what? That just doesn't work for me. Hey, could you bake a cake for this birthday party Sunday? You know what? That just doesn't work for me. That is a whole new term to add to your vocabulary, okay? Because that's how you get to start defining yourself as separate from other people. It's a form of boundary, okay? You get to say what works for you and what doesn't work for you. And if people don't like that, then you get to live with the consequences of that. And when you take a stand for yourself, you have to be willing to take what you're going to get when you do take a stand. So that's mine there. Have a great day.